let me show you how you can factory hard reset your Huawei Watch Fit 2. So for example, maybe you're selling this watch or not using it anymore or returning it. You have to basically reset it to unpair it from your phone basically and delete all data on it so it returns to a new condition. Also, maybe something has happened to this watch and it's not working. You can also do a factory reset to return it to a brand new state. So to do that, you have to basically press this home button and find our settings basically. Find your settings tab, okay, in settings here. Okay, and then scroll all the way down till you see this system and updates here. Okay, then scroll all the way down and click this reset button. Okay, so once you press this, it will reset your watch, and the process usually is quite fast. And again, this will delete all your data on this watch and you can pair it with a new phone or give it to another person. So if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.